In this video, we are looking at 10 specific reasons why VeChain, ticker VET, is an altcoin project that must absolutely be on your radar this year in 2021. Of course, we've examined VET before, but this is going to be a more in-depth video. We're giving you 10 specific reasons why you really ought to consider VeChain. Of course, none of this is financial advice. We're just conveying our own enthusiasm. But with everything that VeChain has going for it, some are suggesting that it is almost destined to become a top 10 altcoin in the next few months or the next few years. We're going to be referring to this article on altcoinbuzz.io. As you guys know, VeChain has had a rather favorable price performance in these last 12 months or so. We're also going to give you guys in the latter part of this video all of the positive news regarding recent partnerships and collaborations that VeChain has engaged in. So first of all, by way of introduction, VeChain, ticker VET, is a supply chain blockchain focused on tracking items, quality control, and keeping medical records. In fact, there are multiple other use cases. Anything that relates to logistics is in particular something that VeChain is aimed towards solving. Reason number one why VeChain deserves your consideration. VeChain tracks enormous amounts of data from different fields to streamline business processes. So VET collects data such as temperature, humidity, acceleration by the use of IoT sensors, Internet of Things. Anyone can scan a product's QR code and get the desired product's details from manufacturing to packaging by using this particular platform. In other words, the whole supply chain is on display for anybody to track in a transparent fashion. Reason number two, TUV Saarland has certified VeChain as a 5-star blockchain service provider, and VET allows brands to digitize products on the blockchain by using unique blockchain identity smart tags. Reason number three, VeChain's digital vehicle solution stores critical data of automobiles on its blockchain. And the rumor is that you have some major manufacturers that are giving this some serious attention. So this system secures the manufacturing details, service details, insurance information, and banking details. And the world's top vehicle makers are in fact adopting this technology. At the time of this video's recording in early March, these days NFTs, non-fungible tokens, really are all the rage, and the VET superior platform enables a flourishing NFT ecosystem. Anyone can migrate and build their own product on VeChain Thor. VET is one of the pioneers of connecting NFTs, again, non-fungible tokens, with the real world. VeChain combines both the decentralized finance, or DeFi, and centralized finance, or CeFi, sectors, and this strategy creates a balanced platform and high-speed value transfers. At number 5, we're going to be discussing the technology. VeChain uses various types of radio frequency tags and sensors to collect important data during shipment, and this in effect creates a powerful and, most importantly, sustainable ecosystem for the business choosing to adopt VET tech. Reason number 6 is the mobile wallet. Users can stake their VET to earn passive income, which is of course the name of the game if you're in the cryptocurrency space. And the longer you stake VET, the more you earn. Anyone can download Thor Wallet from Android and iOS applications. It secures the mobile wallet by using secure two-factor authentication known as 2FA. It has a very simple interface, and users can track transactions held outside their mobile wallets as well. Reason number 7, because of projects like VeChain, blockchain is more than just a cryptocurrency now. Of course, with the advent of Bitcoin, so many cryptocurrencies have taken on these roles of crypto assets, but the use cases have always had more potential, as has the technology. VeChain is a perfect example of this in that it's being harnessed to solve many of the problems that exist today in the logistics industry. Furthermore, it's now one of the most efficient and secure blockchains as well. Reason number 8, VeChain introduced the VVote platform. This is a transparent platform where stakeholders can cast their votes on any number of issues. At reason number 9, we have the VeChain team. Their chief executive officer is Sunny Liu, and he's one of the founding members of VeChain. He also worked as the CIO, that's Chief Information Officer at Louis Vuitton China. Moreover, he has great experience working for other Fortune 500 companies as well. And finally, at reason number 10, we have VeChain's tokenomics. So VET follows the proof of authority, or the POA model. Such a consensus mechanism increases the number of transactions per second and the scalability of the network. It uses a dual token model to avoid an increase in the cost of transactions when the token price rises. VET token is used for trading on exchanges and is also used for staking and the generation of VTHO tokens. VeChain Thor Energy, or VTHO, helps to enhance smart contract transactions. Only developers can use these tokens to cover their contract execution costs. So there you have it. Those are our 10 reasons why VeChain must absolutely be on your radar. And that, at least so far, is saying nothing of the partnerships that they've already lined up. And there are some big ones here. Let's go now through a series of partnerships and collaborations that actually sweeten the offer, I think, and give that much more reason for you to consider adding VET to your altcoin radar. Let's talk about VeChain's enabling of the EHCert app to record COVID-19 cases. This is something that we reported on recently, earlier this year in January. VeChain also worked with the China Animal Health and Food Safety Alliance, the CAFA. All of this suggesting that some of the potential in VeChain lies beyond the realm of logistics, very much to the world and the industry of medicine and medical safety at a public level. VeChain have also partnered with Travala.com to use VET as a payment method for millions of hotels worldwide. VeChain, along with the University of Oxford, proposed an evaluation framework for blockchain consensus protocols. You can read more about this on their website. And then along with Renji Hospital and DNVGL, VET jointly launched the world's first blockchain intelligent tumor treatment center. As you probably likely already know by now, given that this is kind of old news, but still worth mentioning, VeChain is also, of course, working with Walmart China. And the aim here is to empower a reliable, efficient, and standardized food traceability platform. Speaking of China, VeChain has also partnered with Chinese automaker BYD, and VET is building a decentralized application that will track and record the emission data of various vehicles, makes, and models. And finally, at the level of partnership, VeChain is also collaborating with PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. The aim here is to increase the utility of blockchain technology in Asia. As you guys know, none of this is financial advice, but from a very sincere point of view, VeChain really is one of our favorite projects over at Altcoin Buzz. And therefore, we're just sharing our enthusiasm about VET with you. Do with this information what you will. Best of luck if you do choose to invest. You can check out our full write-up here, 10 reasons to buy VeChain, again, ticker VET in 2021. That write-up is available here courtesy of Piyush on altcoinbuzz.io. Don't forget as well, you can always take part in our Trade Signals group. Join our Telegram group for an informed discussion with like-minded individuals about projects, about the teams that make them up, as well as their potential. If you're interested in learning more about VeChain, I'd recommend a couple of websites. Number one, VeChain101.com. This will get you up to speed on all the ways that the modern supply chain and logistics industry can really benefit from blockchain implementation. And finally, of course, do be sure to check out VeChain.org. Best of luck out there to all you members of the Altcoin Buzz Army if you choose to invest. As always, we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.